to make a logo or banner for your e-commerce business. From my master class, someone just asked this question, oh Jennifer, how can I make a logo? I teach people how to start up their print-on-demand business in case if you want to learn something like that, to start selling t-shirts, hoodies, mugs, anything printable online. I have a class for that. I also teach people how to do drop shipping, how to do affiliate marketing. So someone just said, Jennifer, teach me how to do a logo. It's very easy to do a logo. Just open your Canva and come here where they say search. This is the easiest way. Just type in logo, okay? You click enter, and then many template is going to come out. Just choose what you want. Of course, there are also many platforms you could use. You pay for logo, but you don't need to pay for a logo when you are starting up your business. Just scroll down here and look for something that you felt that is what you want, right? Something that you felt this is good for me, and then you can be able to choose it. Let's say your business, let me scroll down and see what I can choose. Guys, you can just choose anything and you can customize it. You can change color. So let's choose this one, for example. And you'll be saying, oh Jennifer, but this is Kura. My name is not Kura. Don't worry. Just touch your hand where this Kura is. Just touch it. And then you double click. You can type. So you ask yourself, what is your name? What is your business name? So just type anything you like, for example, and then you click out, and then you say, oh, but Jennifer, it's not nice the way it looks like. Don't worry. Click it again, and you see this place here. I hope you can see it. Put your hand there and drag it out. Keep on dragging it out until it becomes straight. You see it? Click out, touch it again, and carry it to where you want it to be. Okay, and this engineering here, you could remove it because this is already a design on its own, or you could add anything to it. Is it about fashion, about jewelries? You can type your name and then still add something to it. So I can just type in trend. If it's fashion, you type in fashion. You click out, you click on it again, and then you carry it to wherever you want it to be. Okay, and boom, you have a logo. You see how easy it is to have a logo. And why I love this is you can change everything. You could decide to change the color. You click on it, and then up here you will see color. You touch it, and then you can be able to change the color to any color that you want. You could choose this color, you go back again, you choose the same color, the way you want it. So this could be your logo. Okay, you can still adjust it if you want, and then boom, you download it. So that is for the logo. How can you get a banner? So for those of you in my masterclass, whereby I teach you guys how to set up your print-on-demand business using ESTY as your online shop, when you open Canva, you just come up here. You can just type in banner, or you can be specific and type in exact kind of banner you want. If it's Facebook, you want to do your Facebook page, then type in Facebook banner, for example. So I'm talking about now ESTY, so I can say ESTY banner. I click enter, and it's going to bring out so many banners for you. If you remove the ESTY, it will be more, and then come here and just choose the one you like. Let's say I like this one. I always like it. I have it on my shop. Like something like this. You can now customize it to how you want it. You put your name here, You double click to type, you put your name, you can add something to it, CEO, I don't know, fashion, I don't know, designs. So you put your name, and when you have something like this, click it again and come here and drag it to fit. You see, click it again and carry it to wherever you want it to be. And then you know what you are selling or you're about to sell. If it's about fashion, you can say fashion store, you know, um, it could be health store, and then you can remove this here. You don't really need it. You can bring it a bit down, and then you can also upload pictures of the kind of things you want to sell. So if you're doing t-shirts, um, you can click on it, and then you go and bring up pictures. So when you go here at your left hand side, you click on upload. So you can upload pictures that you want to be here. You only need to drag. Of course, you're not going to have the pictures here, okay? So because I have it already, but how will you get your own pictures? When you click on upload, you click on upload files. Let me do it for you. When you click on upload files, to bring it into your gallery, and you can select whatever you want, okay? This is how I brought these pictures here, and then you can drag and put it there. You see, you can double click to make it fit, and you can look for another design if you want. So I don't know if I have anything here. You can bring it up. I'm just looking for a picture to take. You can use this one if you want. Absolutely amazing, it's looking beautiful. And you can use this one, and boom, you see, everything is customizable. You can change, I can decide to change this color, but I love the color. That's the color I'm using for my shop. And then boom, you have your logo, you have your banner. Okay, so you just come click on share, and then you click on download, and then you download it. Okay, and then how can you put it on your store? Because I know you're going to ask me, okay Jennifer, I've downloaded it, but how will I bring it to my store, right? So you go to your ESTY store or any platform you're using. So I'm using the example of ESTY right now. You go to ESTY, you see here, when you go up and you click on your shop manager, and you come here, don't just click on it. You see this pencil here, the pencil, touch it, and from here you can be able to change. You see this pencil here, if you have not uploaded it before, so there will be nothing there. So you just click on the pencil. When you click on the pencil there, or on the pen, it will allow you to upload your logo. It will allow you to upload your banner. So by clicking the pen, it will allow you to do that. Okay, I hope this help you a lot. So if you would love to start up your print on demand business, contact me. I can be able to teach you. I'm teaching many people. This is my own store. If you want something for Christmas to customize for birthdays, and you want your own wares on it, also inbox me so I can be able to customize something for you. If you like anything from this shop, you can also support your baby girl. Thank you so much. And for those of you that really want to start up the business, I would advise you to get Canva Pro. Canva Pro is really important. Have your Canva Pro. I'm going to leave the link below. And then I also use Creative Fabrica. Creative Fabrica is where you go get your designs. You'll be wondering, oh Jennifer, you can design. How do you get all these designs? No, I can't. I'm not a designer, but when you use Creative Fabrica, you are going to have so many designs. Okay, you can subscribe, and then you can be able to have access to over 5 million designs. So I'm in now. You're going to have over 5 million designs, guys. This is absolutely amazing. Look at it, 5 million, almost 6 million designs, and more than 1 million fonts. And you can see you can take anything you want. They have beautiful things for you here to put on your t-shirt. So if you just for $1, your first 1 month, and then when you're through and you still want it, you can subscribe and then just take your. I'm just kind of trying to encourage someone right now. You must not be a designer to start up your t-shirt business, your hoodie business, your mugs business. Just go ahead, subscribe for the Creative Fabrica, get your designs, and then have your Canva. Okay, when you have your Canva, you have a Creative Fabrica, you are good to go. If you still want, you can still get your PLACEIT, where you get your mockups. Okay, PLACEIT is where you have your mockup. Let me show you. PLACEIT is where you're going to have your mockup. You see, you can get real human beings wearing your clothes. You say, oh Jennifer, how is it possible? Yes, it's possible. When you select anybody that you want to wear your design, for example, what are you going to do? You can be able to change color. You can see here color. You can click to change color. Instead of the white t-shirt, it can be black t-shirt. Look at it. You can insert image. When you click on it, if you have downloaded something, you can insert it into this place, and then you put it on the design. If I want this picture right now, I can bring it up, and then you resize it, you crop it. So this is PLACEIT, where you get your mug. So I'm also going to leave the link of it. Okay, and then you can change the color of the shirt. Like I said, you can change it to black, you see, and then you download it. Absolutely amazing. So you are good to go, guys. If you really want to start up such business, inbox me. I teach people about it, and then let's do it. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much, and bye everybody.